YouTube, back with another video. Young OG Tony, and today I got the greatest storms ever. I told you I'd be watching everything on here. Look at this shit. Look at that. Excuse my language, but look at the tornadoes.
Geography is ultimately responsible for the high frequency of extremely powerful storm cells. The tornadoes most often make the headlines. All this excessive energy in the atmosphere can result in a freak show of other wonders. Many of the phenomena we are familiar with, and others we're still just discovering. Not only is Mother Nature's fury amplified with these explosive storms,
Bro, that looks so scary.
so is her beauty.
Bro, if I seen a tornado, I'd probably pass out. No lie. Oh, this is greatest storms on Earth.
Storm updrafts
What is that?
most frequently erupt near late afternoon. Daytime temperatures reach their highest. This rainbow is caused by the reflection, refraction, and dispersion of sunlight from rain droplets. The secondary rainbow is visible when the light that is reflected twice inside raindrops is bright enough for detection. And because this light is reflected twice, the order of its colors are reversed.
I never seen a double rainbow. I've only seen one.
The concentrated downdraft of the heaviest rain in the
Bruh.
world is the core.
This shit looks
This
scary.
icy
I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
waterfall has a turquoise hue.
Why am I watching this video, by the way?
Or morning, when golden hour sunlight mixes in, the storm can turn an eerie green. In a wind shear environment, cell updrafts may rotate, becoming a mesocyclone.
God damn.
This mesocyclone is the defining character of the rarest and most violent breed of thunderstorms, the supercell.
Oh God.
And it's these supercells that are responsible for the majority of the world's violent tornadoes.
Man, I need to go sit in the sun, man. I'm light skinned and dark skinned at the same time. What the fuck? Damn. This is scary to me. I don't even like when it thunderstorm. Lightning and all that. I sit my black ass in the house. Look at that.
Thankfully, most of these tornadoes occur over sparsely populated areas, causing little destruction.
So it's two tornadoes? Like,
Sometimes, 2 tornadoes occur at once.
wow, I just learned something new.
Sometimes more. That was 3 tornadoes on the ground.
I'm just trying to figure out who be recording these videos.
Thunderstorms have the ability to create electric fields. When oppositely charged regions become strong enough,
Got a little water in my
a
ear.
flash of lightning temporarily equalizes the difference.
Oh shit.
Most flashes occur within the storm. Roughly 1 in 5 initiate by a downward moving stepped leader that connects to the ground.
Oh shit.
The tree is on fire. The more powerful the thunderstorm, the less time needed for the regions to rebuild their energetic charges.
This is real time. I am not time-lapsing this. I'll pan the camera so that you can see constant flickering of lightning. This is unbelievable. If you look out in the field,
That looks so
fireflies.
scary.
Wow.
That looks scary.
On rare occasions, lightning initiates from tall objects on the ground and propagates upward into the storm.
I don't want to be part of no tornado.
Extraordinary events. Two or
I
three
remember we had a earthquake like
and during extremely rare
shit like 10 years ago, I think. Yeah, it was like 10 years ago.
lightning can leap up into the sky.
I was asleep. I thought my roommates at the time was just playing around in the house, man. Shit was shaking.
Pouch-like, a matter
And I slept through it, and then I found out
storm's anvil cloud.
it was an earthquake. It was a small one.
High above
But-
thunderstorms. Mysterious large-scale discharges.
I couldn't imagine being in no goddamn tornado.
Scientists call these transient luminous events.
That's okay. And look at this fool taking pictures. Man, get your ass away. Dang. So where be tornadoes at though? But is that the end of the video? Oh yeah, that's the end of that video, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. And I'll see y'all in the next video, man. But if anybody know anything about tornadoes, let me know. I don't really know what states, excuse me, be having tornadoes. I think like Texas. I know Texas, but I don't know about no other ones. But yeah, see y'all in the next video.